Hi good people, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and if you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing and liking and also commenting to our YouTube videos. Also, don't forget to press the notification bell. And it's for Doc Luck. Today we are preparing fish fingers and chips. Come, let's meet in the kitchen for the step-by-step procedure. If you're here for the first time, please don't leave without subscribing, liking, commenting, and hitting the notification bell so that you'll be among the first people to be notified. So what we need for our fish fingers is a fish fillet, and we are going to marinate our fish fillet. And here are our ingredients: lemon, black pepper, paprika, and curry powder. So we are mixing our ingredients together, and then I've added salt to taste. After mixing, I will squeeze lemon juice to my mixture. So we are marinating our fish fillet. For our ingredients, it depends with the size of your fish fillet. So for mine, I've put half teaspoon for every ingredient that I had, and 1 lemon. Also remember, you can again put your desired ingredients, I mean spices. Now I'm going to cover my fish fillet. Then I want to put it in the fridge to rest for about 30 minutes so that I can start doing the necessary. Prepared my potatoes and they are ready. So now I want to deep fry them. As I wait for the oil to heat, I'll be preparing my fish fingers now. I have 2 eggs, all-purpose wheat flour, and breadcrumbs. Cut my fish fillet. So now I'll be I'll be transferring them to my flour, my wheat flour. So here is the process. So I'm coating them with my wheat flour. And then after there, the next step will be I'll take them to my eggs. I'm soaking it in my eggs. And then to my breadcrumbs now. As we continue preparing our fish fingers, our chips are also getting ready. So for me, I'll remove the chips when they are 3/4 ready, because I love my chips crunchy. So I'm going to remove these ones, put the next ones, and then after there I will return them now back to the oil. I'm now frying it for the second time. And here it will not take long, about a minute it will be ready. So it's already turning brown, you can see. It's getting its color now. So I will give it a minute and then it will be ready. And crunchy, of course. My chips is ready. So now it's time to put our fish fingers. Time to put our fish fingers in the oil. Make sure your oil is not that hot, because you want it to cook well. If you're meeting for the first time, welcome to Bavan Moment YouTube channel. Kindly don't forget to subscribe, like, and also comment on our videos. Let's learn and have fun. So for you to know that they are ready, you make sure that they brown so well. So for these ones, they are not ready. Remember that our fish fillet is raw, so we'll have to give it time for it to cook well till inside. Also, let me know what you think about this video and our content so far. We'll really appreciate your feedback. I'm now done preparing my fish fingers. We've already achieved what I wanted. So I want to see if it has cooked inside. And as you can see, it is well cooked. And now I want to present it to my family. Thank you so much for watching this far. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe, like, and also don't forget to press the notification bell. God bless you.